Hello and welcome to Quick Tip 25, and I had a request from a Gold Pass member to create an indicator for Radarscreen, and what the specification was is that when the price was above a simple moving average, then the cell would display above and the background would be a certain color, and when the price was below or equal to the simple moving average, then the cell would not be colored. And then the other thing was that the first bar after a cross, then he wanted a different background color for that bar for the cell in Radarscreen. So just to give you an example, you can see quite a few here. And incidentally, I've got the Radarscreen linked for both the symbol and the interval with a chart, and I've also done a little bit of formatting. If you right click on the corner and format page, you can see how you can change the colors and attributes of various parts of Radarscreen. But so let's just go. I'm going to click on a specific symbol, Eastman Chemical, and you'll see that that's showing that in this cell that the price is above the moving average, and you can see there that that is true. And if I click on EQR, which is showing that the price is below or equal, and you can see indeed it is. And if we just go down here until we find one such as HUM, Humana Inc., and if we click on that, you'll see that that is a case where price is above, but the previous price, or rather the previous bar, it was below. Let's just see if there's another one. Okay, NWSC News Corp. You'll see here that price is above and the previous bar it was below. So let me just show you what I've done, and incidentally I'm going to make this program available for Gold Pass members to copy and paste, but should also mention here on the chart what I've done. I've got the symbol plotting as a point on close. So let's go look at the code, and what we do, we calculate the average. And then we say if close is above average but the close last bar was below the average last bar, then we set the text as above, and we set the plot color and the background color as you can see here. So that's going to be a green writing on a white background. So that's the first bar after a cross. But if that's not true, but close is still above the average, then same text, but what we do is we set the plot color to white, background color to green. And finally, if neither of those things are true, in other words the close is equal to or below the moving average, then we just set the text to a default value, and then we plot both the text and the average. And by doing that we can compare the value of the average with the value on the Radarscreen. The only other thing I've done here is if we just click on or rather format, analysis techniques, quick tip 25 for all symbols, is what I've done. I've loaded some additional bars which is necessary for this functionality to work. Okay, so hopefully you might find this useful, and as I say, I'm going to make it available for copy and pasting by Gold Pass members, and please make sure that you're logged in to your Gold Pass account. Thank you.